Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study Unit 6, Lesson 1 and 2. You have one computer. In this unit, we will study some information and some words related to computers. Number 1, attach. Attach, for example, I will attach the photo to the email. That means attach means to send a photo or file with an email. Again, to send a photo or file with an email. Connect. For example, the printer is connected to the computer. That means to join your computer to the internet so that you can use it. Disconnect, this is the opposite of connect. Disconnect, for example, I can't write an email because the computer is disconnected to the internet. Disconnect means to stop using your computer being joined to the internet. Okay, log off, for example, I always log off when I finish reading my email. That means to stop using a computer or email. Log off, the opposite of log off is log on. Okay, let's working with words. Working with words today, we have homonyms. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling but different meanings. For example, nail. What do you mean by nail? Nail means the thin hard part that grow on the top of end of your finger, or a thin pointed piece of metal with a flat end. Number 2, right. Right means correct or true, or other meaning the right side or direction. Okay, left means to go away from a place or person, or the left side or direction. Okay, sweet means having a taste like sugar, or a small piece of sweet food made of sugar or chocolate. So has two meaning. So means to look at as a past tense of see, or a tool that used for cutting wood. Match means a small wooden stick that produces a flame, or a game or sports event. Okay, let's study some exercise. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I always the computer when I have finished using the internet. Excellent. I always disconnect the computer. Number 2, I am going to some photos onto my Facebook account so my friends can see them. Excellent. I am going to upload. So upload means to copy a file from your own computer on the internet. Number 3, we often the internet. We like finding interesting music websites. Excellent. We often surf. So at the meaning of surf means to look at lots of different websites on the internet. Okay. Number 4, they always, when they finish reading my emails. Excellent. They always log off. Number 5, let's log on the internet and some information about the hot air balloon. Excellent. Download. So download means to copy a file from the internet onto your own computer. Okay, let's study some structures. Our structure today is talking about passive, future passive. First, when I use the passive, we use the passive when you don't know the subject of a sentence, or when the subject is more important than the sentence. For example, future passive. In a future passive, we'll start the sentence with the object, it followed by will or want, plus be, plus past participle. Look at number 1. The coach will collect the children at 9 a.m. That means the children will be collected by the coach at 9 a.m. Let's answer some questions. Number 1, rewrite the following sentence. Jack will wash the car tomorrow. Begin with the car. The car will be washed by Jack tomorrow. Number 2, Ahmed will mend the bike. Begin with the bike. The bike will be mended by Ahmed. Number 3, they will play football at the club. Begin with football. Football will be played at the club. Number 4, the thief will be chased by the policeman. Begin with the policeman and be attention for this sentence. This sentence is passive, so we will change this sentence from the passive to active again. Okay, the policeman will chase the thief. Okay, present perfect passive. In a present perfect passive, we start with the object, then it followed by have or has plus been plus past participle. Number 1, they have eaten their breakfast. Their breakfast has been eaten by them. Number 2, Emma hasn't cleaned the room yet. The room hasn't been cleaned by Emma yet. Okay, let's answer some questions. Number 1. My mother has made me the coffee. Begin with the coffee or I. First, begin with the coffee. The coffee has been made for me by my mother. Excellent. I have been made the coffee by my mother. Number 2. Isra hasn't washed the cups yet. Begin with the cups. The cups haven't been washed by Isra yet. Number 3. The lesson has been written by the class. Begin with the class. We will change this sentence from passive to active. The class has written the lesson. Number 4. I have switched off the television. Begin with the television. The television has been switched off by me. Thanks for your listening.